What is up everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Okay, today I have this Vivo iQOO 5. Actually, I didn't want to do this unboxing because I already have a review unit, but I spent my money and bought this Vivo iQOO 5 because I found that on YouTube most of the unboxing videos are fake. I was really very unhappy. I was angry. I was feeling crazy. So I bought this one to share true unboxing experience with you. To the people who are making those fake unboxing videos or copying others unboxing videos from Chinese social media applications, please stop doing that. And to viewers and subscribers, please support honest videos. Okay, no more talking, let's do the unboxing and then we will run Antutu Benchmark and CPU throttling test. Yeah, it looks gorgeous. The color 5 is like a rainbow. Yeah, it's obviously better than the box of Vivo iQOO 3. Here is my Vivo iQOO 3. If you have missed the unboxing video, don't forget to watch that. I mean, if you want to. Wow, really, this unboxing is better. I mean, this is the best unboxing experience of any Vivo smartphones. The moment you open up the lid, you will see iQOO on, and there is another 5. What's inside this? Let us check. I think some paperwork, maybe some stickers. Okay, there is a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, but no stickers. No, I don't see any stickers. Underneath that, that's our Vivo iQOO 5. Let's put the phone aside and check what else we have inside the box. The first thing you will notice is this TPU silicone protective case. For the price of the smartphone, this is pretty cheap quality, very ordinary. This smartphone costs about $600 US, but the protective case, it's really pretty cheap. Okay, underneath that TPU silicone protective case, the first thing you will notice is a charger. No, this one doesn't come with that 125 watt charger because this is Vivo iQOO 5. Vivo iQOO 5 Pro comes with 125 watt charger. This one comes with a 55 watt charger. So nothing special, nothing extraordinary. And also you will find a USB A to USB-C charging cable. Yeah, it's the same as all other Vivo smartphones. Don't worry, I will also do that Vivo iQOO 5 Pro unboxing and many other videos. Vivo iQOO 5 versus Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra camera comparison is going on. When you are watching this video, actually I am away. When I'm back, I will do the editing and upload that video. Okay, let's unwrap our Vivo iQOO 5. This time I chose the blue color version, blue color variant. I like this color, and if you are subscribed to this channel, then you know that mostly when I buy Vivo smartphones, I buy this sky blue color. This one looks nice. This one is Vivo X50 Pro. Okay, it's time to unwrap our Vivo iQOO 5. It looks nice, it looks awesome, almost similar to Vivo X50 Pro. The truth is, build quality and in-hand feelings is the same. Not much of a difference. Design wise, it's the same. Only the camera block, rear camera block is a little different. The most important difference between these two is that Vivo X50 Pro comes with curved display panel and Vivo iQOO 5, it's a straight display panel. There is no curve. So give me a few minutes, I will just set up this Vivo iQOO 5 and I will run Antutu Benchmark side by side with many other flagships. Okay, I have already finished setting up my Vivo iQOO 5. On the left, I have added Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra and on the right, it's OnePlus 8 Pro. Let's start Antutu Benchmark and check what type of score this Vivo iQOO 5 can achieve. Personally, I don't like Antutu Benchmark, but I know a lot of you like it, so here it is. Here are the scores. Okay, as expected, Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra got the highest score, 632,488, and then it's a Vivo iQOO 5, 616,869, and finally it's OnePlus 8 Pro, 575,714. But what's surprising is the battery of Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra, it's still showing 100%. And on Antutu Benchmark, it shows it drained only 0% battery. Yeah, 0%. Wow, that's amazing. Vivo iQOO 5 drained 3%, OnePlus 8 Pro drained 3%. Another surprising thing is that Vivo iQOO 5 cooling system, it seems it's really better. Only 3 degrees Celsius increased. On the other hand, Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra and OnePlus 8 Pro almost 6 degrees Celsius increased. Vivo iQOO 5 got the highest CPU score and memory score. Yeah, I'm really surprised to see that user experience score is the lowest on OnePlus 8 Pro. Actually, I think Oxygen OS is the best. Anyway, time to wrap up. I will sure do a lot of other videos, but if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, please don't forget to make a comment what type of other videos you wanna watch about this Vivo iQOO 5.
We could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear, yeah. We don't have to go back to what we used to.